Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha and today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful Valentine's Day rustic wreath. Now, I have to say a massive thank you to my lovely friend Debbie who gave me this wreath as she no longer needed it, and as soon as she did I thought, ooh, this needs a bit of a makeover. So I decided to just do a very sort of gentle looking rustic kind of wreath, something that you might find at perhaps a spring wedding, just something quite simple. I know that's very understated for me, but I thought I would try out something new. Let me know what you think. These particular flowers that I'm using are actually from Debbie as well. She is clearing out quite a few things from her house and just thought, you know what, maybe Ayesha could do something with this. And so, yeah, I wanted to include them. The pink ones were already mine, and the red one there is actually one that I got from Poundland, but I just wanted to use these little white flowers from it instead. I'm going to be doing quite a few, I suppose, trash to treasure DIYs on this channel. So, yeah, I'm really looking forward to upcycling more items. So there we are, my darlings, we are done. Please do let me know in the comment section what you think of this wreath. I know that it's very different to what I usually do. It's nowhere near as extra as some of my other projects have been, but I do think that it's really, really beautiful, and I can't wait to display it throughout the entire month of February. If you love this video, then please do share it with a friend. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.